pressure. Rather, they can transform you and can make you enlightened with knowledge. The most successful people in the world like Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam, Bill Gates, Sudha Murthy, Barack Obama, etc. have been the avid readers. Now, let's commence our assembly by praising the Lord. Learning to communicate in any language requires strong vocabulary. Reading lays a sturdy foundation for a better communication. Now I will tell you how you can develop reading habit. Make reading a daily habit. Put some time every day to reading, no matter how busy you are. Pick a book of your own choice so you may enjoy reading it. Dear Lord, when I read for profit, grant that all I eat may lead me nearer to you. When I read for recreation, grant that what I read may not lead me away from you. Let all my reading so refresh my mind that I may seek whatever is pure, fair and true. For this I pray your response. O Lord, hear our sincere prayer. You fall in, shoot, delighted where you never been. Hear voices not once heard before. Read word to word, through door on door. Find unexpected keys to things. Clink clunk, Lord the beyond imaginings. Wow! True books will venture, dare you out. We whisper secrets, maybe shout across the blue to you in need. Who can call for a book to read? Clap, sizzle, clap, sizzle. Thank you.
I would just like to add that leadership is not just about holding a position. It's about taking the responsibility and setting an example for others to follow. And it is also about being honest and reliable. So the leaders always follow the 3 R's, that is respect for self, respect for others, and responsibility of all their actions.
My dear little ones, Good thing you did not have breakfast. Wow, how nice to hear. Please sit down. I just want to congratulate Ms. Ravneet and the class for conducting such a meaningful assembly. Please give them a big round of applause. Which is one of the most important and neglected topic and neglected habit. What is that? Reading. So I would, on this occasion, I did not know it was going to be the World Book Day. Somehow it became a coincidence for me to come across with the book fair people, and it happened to be from 23rd to 25th. So it is also a good news for us that you need to sacrifice eating those chocolates, those expensive things, and you need to tell your parents to give you money to buy books. Buying books doesn't give you knowledge, you need to read them. Now when I ask you how many of you would like to read books, both hands should be up. Oh, this video should be taken and it should be shown to them. Shown to their parents, okay? Bharti, you will upload it in eCare. Take every child's face. You want to buy chocolate or books? Books. Do you want to buy chocolate or books? Books. Sure? Yes. But nice, lovely chocolate. Okay, when you buy the book, you will put the hands down, you will keep the book neat and tidy, always you will cover the book first with a newspaper so that the book will not get dirty. And no scribbling, no writing on the book. Book should be your best friend.